Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you for soft white bread rolls. I've used one special ingredient which brings it closest to normal carby bread. And I've got a few here in my baggie and I've cut one open. Let me show you what it looks like from the inside. So there we go. Completely bready, chewy texture. So let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So we begin with 100 grams of paneer. Paneer is an Indian cheese. I think you can also use queso fresco or then cottage cheese, which you pull out all the water. Half a cup of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then we have psyllium husk, 4 tablespoons, and then go in the 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. The video got cut off. Give it a good blend. Now we're adding half a teaspoon of salt and blending it again. And basically this is what you'll come out with. It'll be a sticky dough. If you find it too sticky, just put little oil on your hands and allow this to rest. Allow this to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Now I've taken an ice cream scoop and I'm bringing out these rolls. They are going to rise and they are going to spread a bit too. So I'm just correcting them with my hands lightly and it's ready to go into the oven. Right now I'm just putting a few sesame seeds on top and ready for the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for anywhere between 28 to 30 minutes. And here they are after 30 minutes. Absolutely, they are piping hot, but I've split one open because I'm excited to show you, and this is what they look like. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.